What if I told you that you're missing out on a foolproof way to double your income from your blog? In just a few moments, I'll reveal the secret formula to seamlessly integrate affiliate marketing with your blogging strategy to maximize your profit. Stay tuned, you're going to want to see this. Creating valuable and engaging content that resonates with your target audience is the backbone of a successful blog. You might wonder what makes content valuable. It's all about addressing the needs, pain points, and interests of your readers. Start by identifying who your audience is. Are they looking for solutions to specific problems, seeking advice, or craving entertainment? By understanding them deeply, you can tailor your blog posts to meet their exact needs. Once you've identified what your audience wants, the next step is to create content that speaks directly to those desires. Do thorough research, gather insights, and always aim to provide actionable and practical information. High-quality content is not just about filling up space with words, it's about offering genuine value that your audience can't overlook. Now let's talk about SEO. Search engine optimization is crucial in making sure your blog posts are discoverable. By incorporating relevant keywords naturally into your content, you can attract organic traffic from search engines. But remember, SEO isn't just about keywords, it's also about creating a great user experience, using proper headings, and ensuring your site loads quickly. Strategically placing affiliate links in your high-quality content can be a game changer for conversion rates. When your readers trust your content and find it useful, they are more likely to follow the links you recommend. Make sure these links are relevant to the content and provide real value to your audience. So what steps are you going to take to ensure your next blog post truly resonates with your audience? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. One of the cornerstones of successful affiliate marketing is building trust with your readers. When your audience trusts you, they're more likely to value your recommendations and make purchases based on them. So how do you cultivate that trust? Start by being authentic in every piece of content you create. Share your personal experiences and be upfront about your successes and mistakes. This level of transparency helps your readers connect with you on a deeper level. When it comes to selecting affiliate products, it's crucial to choose items that genuinely align with your niche and resonate with your audience's preferences. If your blog focuses on health and wellness, promoting the latest tech gadgets might seem out of place and could erode the trust you've built. Make sure the products you endorse are ones you would use yourself and wholeheartedly recommend. Transparency is key when it comes to affiliate partnerships. Always disclose your affiliations clearly and honestly. Let your readers know that clicking on your links and making a purchase helps support your content. This disclosure not only complies with legal guidelines, but also reinforces your credibility. Writing honest reviews is another powerful way to maintain authenticity. Be straightforward about both the pros and cons of the product. Readers appreciate honesty and are more likely to trust a well-rounded review. Sharing your genuine experiences, including any challenges you faced with the product, can also be incredibly valuable to your audience. Are you ready to start fostering trust and authenticity with your readers? What strategies will you implement in your next piece of content?